everyone, welcome back to RACHANDBELLACRAFTS. I hope you're well. So we've got another exciting video for you today. A little bit of a preview of some contents that I've been sent to review for you. And I thought we'd have a little play about and see what we've got in there, and we'll have a little go. But before I forget to tell you all, there will be a discount code for you. So if you do want to purchase anything from the provider, there will be a discount code placed in the description box down below. So I was contacted a few weeks back by a company called Taperlogy. Many of you that have been into the crafts sort of thing for quite some time will have bound to have heard of them. I know there have been quite a few reviews done of them on their products on YouTube. So, you know, like I say, I like to be able to bring you a variation rather than feel like I'm just showing you one provider and product from a manufacturer. So at least you're getting a bit of a variety and you can see the different things that I'm using. So that's the company, Taperlogy. That's all their details there. Oops, so you can see them. But I will put all of these links for you down below. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got. I haven't selected this. They kind of asked the kind of things I liked. I told them what we were working on at the moment, and they very kindly have picked up a surprise box of items for me to go through with you. So the first thing that we've got here, and I'm liking that very much. Ooh, this is very nice and long. There's lots of this, my gosh. So I am going to just completely unravel it. There we go. So we've got some of this really lovely kind of, I think it's like Hessian. But it's obviously like you can use it for, gosh, also that'd make a lovely belly band, wouldn't it? Oh my gosh, I'm getting ideas already. Trims on the edge of your pages. I get the impression, I think a lot of this is all going to be tailored to vintage and perhaps botanical. So obviously very on theme for us at the moment. But so that's the first thing. Lovely trims there. Then we've got another one here. See if I can take that apart. Ooh, this is nice. Now that'd be lovely, wouldn't it? As tabs at the tops of your tags. Yes, very nice. And again, lovely belly band. You could interweave lace through it then if you wanted to soften it up a bit. But there's a good, because that's double I got this, there's a good length of that. What do I got there? Probably 2 meters maybe. I don't know, my arms can't quite reach any further. But yeah, that's lovely stuff. I'm liking that. Not had anything like that to work with before. We've also got a lovely selection of washi tapes. So this is like a vintage kind of technical print. I'm just trying to read that on there. Obviously I can't read it. I think it's in Italian. It's lovely. But it's like kind of like sciencey pictures and things in there. I'm probably using all the wrong words, but you get what I'm saying. You get my meaning. There's a lovely bit of script on the top. So that's that one. And then this one is a vintage, you know, map atlas. That's lovely. Excellent. Loving those. Oh, and these. Fab. There we go. Because I needed some of this. So that is very timely. So you've got washi tape there with all the letters on. Love that. Okay, what have we got here then? Okay, so this is, let's open it up. These are some lovely little bits and pieces to use for ephemera. Ooh, the paper's really nice too. So it's definitely matte. It's very, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, it's quite texturized, but it feels old. That definitely feels like, you know, like proper old ticket paper. That's what that feels like. I don't know if you can see how, oh, I'm liking that. That is lovely. Now, this is the kind of ephemera that you can just pop straight into your journals. It feels completely authentic and almost original, apart from the fact that obviously it is new. But yeah, I like that. These are lovely. Gosh, what a variation of images we've got here too. So, what are these ones here? That's French there, isn't it? It's a little coupon thing. I can't quite see what that is. Oh, there we are, railroad tickets. Okay, so that's images of a railroad ticket. A very old railroad ticket. Person, I don't know what that's for. Sorry, my international language skills have been pushed to the limit now. Oh, baggage, I can see that word. There we go, baggage check, right, okay. And that's for a music festival in 1967 even. There we are, lovely job. So I like those. So that's the tickets. And there's, what other things have we got in here? Oh my gosh, there's all sorts of things. There's like little ingredients. medication labels, but they are all on this really lovely matte paper. Gosh, it's really unusual. I wonder what that is. Oh, I like these. These are quite different from anything I've seen before, because you never quite know what you're going to get with packages of paper ephemera, but yeah, these are quite different from anything I've had in the past, which is lovely, because it's always nice to have something a bit different, isn't it? Oh, good grief. Stamps. Australian stamps. Got a couple then photographs. Oh, very nice. They're all a bit different. Okay. And then got some vintage stamps then, and I think these are perforated as well, so you can tear them apart and literally stick them on as stamps. So that's a really good selection there. And then we've got some, you know, like little pages. So we've got recipes here. Yeah, these are mainly from cookbooks, I think. So they're nice. They're great. They're easy to just stick into pockets when you want some ready-made ephemera. So that's that pack. Fragments, this one says. I will try to make sure as well all the right links are in the description box for you of what these products are. Ooh, try and get this off without... Oh. Come on, there we go. Right. Oh, these are lovely, aren't they? Now, these would be great if you were doing collaging or, you know, page layouts and you want tier pages, because these are just ideal for that, aren't they? Because they're just really lovely little collage papers, look. So I think you've got 5 there of each design. Ooh, look, we've even got vellumy ones. Oh my goodness. Now, can you see, what have I got that I can put the other side of it? Something dark. All this stuff on my desk. Nothing to pick up. There we are. Can you see that it's translucent? I don't know if you can see the image of paper behind it. Perhaps it isn't dark enough, but beautiful botanical image on there. But that is really lovely. So, we've got 5 of those, have we? Yeah. Oh, there's half the pack. I see, right. So whatever was on the papers now we printed onto vellum in white. Oh, they are lovely. They would make really nice windows if you were doing junk mailer pockets or what have you. You know, when you want to replace something in the window, you could put that in the gap, couldn't you? They are really lovely. I'm liking those very much. Right, so that's that there. What are these here? Lace paper. And again, these are lovely for page layouts and for collage, aren't they? So, let's try and put that out of there. I love these little packages as well. It's a nice vellum envelope. I shall be using that. Right. Really don't want to damage these. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful selection we've got here. So these are, I see now what they mean by lace paper. Of course, it's very, very, very fine. Please excuse the glue all over my hands. I've been decanting my glue. And I did get in rather a mess. They're very, very fine cut. Very, very fine die cuts, aren't they? That's what, and obviously they're white or off-white. But these are lovely. These are great, again, to add to collage backgrounds or page layouts. Because they're quite spectacular. Quite vibrant, you know. So we've got some nice architectural images there, some gates, some you know, like fencing, and I'm not quite sure what you call those, but they're lovely. Excellent. Okay, and then we've got another one here then, have we? Different lace paper. Oh, I think these are butterflies. I think I spy butterflies. Fabulous. Oh, Christmas morning. I love opening these boxes. Oh, no leaves. Oh my gosh. Golly, I'm glad I opened these. Wow, look. How lovely are they? Now, I wonder if I can lay them. Can you see those lid? If I lay them out like that, I'll let you get a better view of them. Aren't they gorgeous? Wow. Love, 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 love these. Oh, there is a butterfly. I thought I could see butterflies. Spy the wing through the... Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. I absolutely love them. Golly. Amazing. Fabulous. Love those. Highly recommend those. I think we're going to have a play with those in a bit. See what we can come up with. Okay. Right. Sorry. Let me just pop that down in there like that. Okay. Right. What's this in here? It's like fabric. Always excited by fabric. Love these little labels because we can reuse these. So we've got 4 swatches here. Oh, look, they're all like neutrals. These are lovely. Oh, imagine making some ruffles and clusters and perhaps pockets out of these. Yes, 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 yes. There's a bit more of that lovely, almost like Hessian sackcloth fabric. Or maybe that one's near a Hessian. Yeah, it smells like it too. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, I like this. That is lovely. A nice little pack. There we go. So, nice fabric and thick too. Very nice. Right, so that's the fabrics. Pop them down there. And then what have we got in here? Flowers, bloom and fall. Okay. So, seems very mysterious. Good grief. Oh my gosh, already I can feel from the feel of these, I love them. Oh my word, these are amazing. These are handmade papers. Look at this. Handmade papers, and they've then got, I don't even know how they've put that on there. Look, these. They're like the world's tiniest die cuts have been put onto handmade paper. I have no idea how they've done this. They are just gorgeous. Wow. That is just so lovely. There's a huge amount of them in there. There's got to be about 50 of them, I would say, in here. Look at that. That is just beautiful. And I don't think there's any repeats. I think they're all different. There we go. So if I quickly just give you an idea. Oh, I love the green. Oh my goodness, look at these. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, they are lovely. I am going to have some fun with those. Absolutely. Amazing. Yeah, no, they're all just, they're different variations, and they've all got different, slightly different shades of colours. Wonderful. Loving those. So I shall find out what they are, because I can imagine that quite a lot of you will be interested in those. So make sure that the link is below. Now, this is a very mysterious looking package that's been rather beautifully wrapped. I almost don't want to open it, but I must, I suppose, mustn't I? Oh, that's under the string. There we go. Interesting use for roll. Never thought to do that. Right. Oh my goodness, what have we got in here? Oh my gosh. I love that for a start, but oh dearie dearie me, look at all of this. Right, okay, let's move this box because you're going to want to see what all is in here. Sorry, I've made a bit of a mess here, haven't I? Let me just move that out of the way a second. Right, let's see if we can lay some of these out so you can get a bit of an idea of the kind of ephemera that's in here. So these are kind of like labels. Are these stickers? I think they're stickers. Because there's white around the edge. Yeah, they are. They're stickers. Great. Wonderful. Labels. Let me put that down there. I like that one. And then we've got, these are lovely. Look, with a bit of gold gilting on. These are not stickers. These are just very fabulous pieces of ephemera with gold writing on. Put it there. Then we've got, these are the matte papery ones. That lovely fine paper. So we've got on there old records, weather records. I don't know, these are like forms, I think, from, you know, kind of admin forms from different things. All very interesting though. Then we've got some more, no, these are not labels, these are just, you know, sticking ephemera. And we've got some square papers. Oh, nice selection there too. Try and do that slowly. Very nice, I like those. So they're great again for your collaging. Then we got some larger ones. Gosh, these are a nice size, aren't they? And they've got, oh look, they're perforated. How unusual. As if they've been, so that you can have an effect as if they've been torn from a book, look. Well, I never. So we've got postcards. Sheffield, Maltese Town. Good grief, these are really unusual, aren't they? Baden, Bath City. What's that going to do? Baden Powell, I don't know. Oh, ooh, these feel funky. The origin of everything. That way up. I've got some more like tickety card kind of thing, but this is different paper again. It's unusual paper. Oh, I like that. My gosh, got some ephemera here. Then we've got more stamps. Oh, and they are perforated, so they can be, you know, broken apart. So we've got, gosh, we've got loads of them, loads and loads of stamps. Oh, look at them. They're lovely. Yeah, you don't see many monocolour stamps. So these are really interesting, actually, because, you know, the ones that we all tend to put in our digital kits tend to be quite colourful. But these are actually rather nice. And probably nearer to the real thing, aren't they? I maybe thought of it like that before. Oh, look at the bunnies. Oh, how cute are they? Gosh, it's a really good selection here. You've basically got all your topics covered here. So you've got, you know, your rabbits there. So that would be like Eastery spring themes. You've got penguins. So that's either winter or your holidays. You've got your trees and your botany. You've got sea creatures. You've got land animals, more lovely trees, got stags, gosh, tigers. Look at all the different themes you could cover with all of these different images. Butterflies, elephants, oh, my favourite. They are super cute. Gosh, yeah, that's a really good selection there. Loving those. And then these are like vellum. They're like, oh, I wonder if they're sticky actually. I think they're washi. They're like washi tapes. That's not sticky though. But they're kind of vellumy, but I want to say that that's sticky back, that one. Oh, I know what these are. These are spine ends of books. Of course they are. It's the end of the book, isn't it? I don't think the imagery is original, but they are definitely book titles. Gosh, that would be good. Imagine if you could knock yourself some little journals out and pop these on the end. What a clever idea. Look at that. Van Gogh. Monet. So you could either use them as bookmarks or you can put them onto your spine ends. Very nice. And then last but by no means least, then we have a lovely, lovely selection, which I've got upside down, of more ephemera. Lovely images. So we've got some more technical stuff, handwritten, some lovely more sort of handwritten there. That's off a document, letter, that's been written in an exercise book. Got a little bit of lined page and another. This is fantastic. Well, these are fabulous. So if you just joined us and you missed the first bit or you've wound me on because I was getting boring, just a reminder, Taperlogy, all of these items have come from. There is a discount code. The discount code will be down below. So if you do want to go and check it out, and I will also make sure that the links to these items are included in the description because this is fabulous. Great quality. I love the paper that's been used. Love these. Yeah, I'm super impressed and I'm very pleased with what's been sent to me here, and I'm more than happy to give a recommendation here, guys. So if you want to go and check them out, please do so, but make sure you use your discount code because it is there for you. It's a good discount, so don't miss out on that. All right, okay, I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna have a tidy up and then I'll probably be back then with the same stuff because I'm gonna have to have a go and make something. But thank you ever so much for watching. Take care now. Bye.